Hi, and welcome to this video. My name is Jamie, and today I will tell you all about the theming capabilities within Falcon, the PWA Storefront for BigCommerce. One of the things that make the Falcon platform unique is theming capabilities and the visual theme editor. The Falcon ships with powerful theming tools. Falcon knows basically two ways for theming, on a code level and in a visual, non-code way. Within Falcon Front-End Client, you will find two packages, the Falcon Front Kit and the Falcon UI Kit. In the Falcon Front Kit, which is made with React.js, you will find all functional components, which gather, pass, query and mutate data from the backend to the frontend. The purpose of this package is to provide functional components that work tightly with the shop extension, types to ensure the correct data flow, but at the same time it does not expose any UI elements, leaving this part to be implemented on the project level. The Falcon UI Kit has the actual smart UI components, which allow for customization of the UI and represent shop elements. Every component has a default theme built in, providing a consistent and pleasing look out of the box while allowing the possibility to customize it in every detail. UI elements are primitive components such as a button or a panel, while UI Kit is a set of UI components combined into complex elements such as product items or filters. For more information on theming on a code level, please visit our documentation on docs.deity.io. Now, to make it even easier, Falcon ships with a visual theme editor. With this editor, you can easily try out and play with your theme without needing the help of a developer. For marketing teams and designers, this is the ideal way to try out new things and then, when satisfied, send the results to the developer. I will show you how it works. When we visit the demo shop, bc.demo.deity.io, you will find the visual theme editor enabled at the right. When clicking on the icon, the theme editor falls out from the right. Here I find many options to play around with. First, I will try to change the color. I can change the primary color to blue, or maybe to red. I can also change the color of the text, for example to blue. The secondary text I will change to red. Next, I will show you how to play with the spacing. As you can see, the distance between the products change while I move the slider. A more drastic change would be the typography. For your convenience, we include the main Google fonts, but on a code level you can add any font you like. You can choose a simple font or go more crazy fonts. In addition to the fonts, I can play with the font weight and the font spacing as well, or play with the borders. Falcon also knows some presets, like for example ocean blue or insanely pink. On a code level, you can pre-program these presets, which might come in real handy when trying to show different versions to your colleagues, or when using themes which need to switch fast, like special Christmas deco or Black Friday theming. With this set of features, you're able to change the full layout of a shop without touching any code. When you're satisfied, you go to the download tab and can easily download or copy the code, which you then send to your developer. This way, they can fast and easily implement any theme changes you like. Thank you for watching this video on theming with Falcon. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on info@deity.io or send me a message on Twitter or Slack.